Today we will discuss the second step of dropshipping, how to create an Amazon seller account. We will also discuss the alternatives of Amazon. To create an Amazon seller account for dropshipping, follow these steps. 1. Visit the Amazon Seller Central website. Go to sellercentral.amazon.com and click on the Register Now button. 2. Choose the type of account. Select between a professional seller account or an individual seller account. The professional account requires a monthly fee of $39.99 but offers additional features and benefits, while the individual account has no monthly fee but comes with limited features. 3. Provide your business information, fill in your business name, address, contact details, and payment information. If you're dropshipping as an individual, you can provide your personal information. For set up your account, follow the prompts to complete the account setup process, including verifying your email address and setting up two-step verification for added security. 5. Provide tax information. Depending on your location and the nature of your business, you may need to provide tax information or register for sales tax collection on Amazon. 6. Choose your shipping methods. Determine how you will handle shipping for your products. As a dropshipper, you will likely rely on your suppliers to fulfill orders and ship directly to customers. 7. Set up your payment account. Link a valid bank account to your Amazon seller account to receive payments for your sales. 8. Complete registration and start selling. Once you've provided all the necessary information and completed the registration process, your Amazon seller account will be created. You can start listing and selling your products. Alternatives to Amazon for dropshipping. 1. Shopify. Shopify is a popular e-commerce platform that allows you to create your own online store. It offers various integrations and apps that facilitate dropshipping, such as Oberlo, which connects you to suppliers on platforms like AliExpress. 2. eBay. eBay is a well-established online marketplace where you can sell products through dropshipping. It provides a platform for connecting with buyers and managing your listings. 3. WooCommerce. WooCommerce is a plugin for WordPress websites that allows you to set up an online store. With WooCommerce, you can utilize dropshipping plugins and extensions to streamline your dropshipping operations. For AliExpress, AliExpress is a platform where you can find numerous suppliers offering a wide range of products at competitive prices. It's commonly used for dropshipping due to its extensive product selection and convenient shipping options. When considering alternatives, evaluate factors such as platform fees, user-friendliness, integration options, and the size of the user base to determine which platform aligns best with your dropshipping business model and goals.